What is the default path environment variable setting on fresh install of Windows 7? A user of ours cleared their path, thanks to some directions on the internet. What is the default path? I am a developer, so I have tons of extra stuff in mind. What should my user get on a plain Jane 1?
I just finished installing Windows 7 Enterprise SB1U, x64 English, in a virtual machine. I can certify the following as the default path environment variables. Note that I haven't installed anything, not even the additions, drivers, or tools, into the virtual machine. Default system path environment variable, the inconsistent capitalization is as is. There is no default user path environment variable, i.e., no such variable was set.
According to this MVP, on Vista it was. I would assume the same for Windows 7. I also have /Windows /System 32 /Windows PowerShell /v1.0 / as one of my first entries, so you might want to add it as well since PowerShell was shipped with Windows 7.
Sorry, mine's no longer plain Jane, but I've removed the obvious added items. This is on 64-bit, remove the x86 bits if you're on 32.
There's really no such thing as a default path, it changes as software and devices are installed/removed. However, at a bare minimum, your path should contain
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.